Smooth like butter, like a criminal undercover. Don't tap like trouble, breaking into your heart like that. Cool shade stunner, yeah, owe it all to my mother. Hot like summer, yeah, I'm making you sweat like that. Break it down. When I look in the mirror, I'll make you honey too. I got the superstar go so. Step right after my beat.
So far, yung mga favorite spot ko is yung mga romantic scene sa K-drama. Since nahihilig na ako manood ng K-drama, nung pumunta ako doon, parang nagpa-flashback siya sa akin.
Seoul Tower and Everland. Everland was because of the zoo and Seoul Tower is because of the moments I had with my parents.
Hangtang Bridge for me kasi nakapag-TikTok tayo doon.
Mine is Everland. Daming pictures pa. Well, it was great for me, especially kasi nag-expect talaga ako dito sa Korea, and if it weren't for K-pop or K-dramas, hindi talaga ako makakonvince pumunta dito. So, na-fulfill naman yung expectations ko.
Ako yung snow kanina yun kasi kala ko hindi na natin ma-experience dahil ilang gabi ng tapos kanina biglang natuwa kami kasi nag-snow siya.
Very great. It's a 10 out of 10 for me.
Hey! Shoes on, get up in the morning, cup of milk, let's rock and roll. King Kong, kick the drum, rolling on like a rolling stone. Sing song when I'm walking home, jump up to the top of the brown. Ding dong, call me on my phone, nice day, and I get my ping pong. Ha! This is game heavy, can you hear the bass boom? I'm ready. Life is sweet as honey, yeah, this bitch chain like money. Ha! Disco overload, I'm into that, I'm good to go. I'm diamond, you know I glow.
Seokjin, Bias, Bias Wrecker, V and Hobby.
My bias is JK, Bias Wrecker, Hobby and Sugar.
V. My bias. V also. Jimmy. My bias. Yeah.
My bias is Jimin, and my wrecker is Suga.
Suga!
Bias, Jungkook, wrecker, B.
Yujong Shikdang. Yeah, same. Yujong Shikdang. Kasi nakita namin si Ajuma. We got to meet the BTS favorite auntie. The restaurant where Ajuma meet us and took picture with us, and she gave us a lot of freebies.
We went to a lot of beautiful BTS places, but the top one for me is BTS bus stop. Because favorite ko talaga yung Spring Day. That's my comfort zone. So, memorable siya sa akin. Sentimental place siya for me.
Yujong Shikdang. And for me, also the BTS bus stop. Maganda yung weather nung nagpunta kami, and sobrang picturesque nung view, and ang serene lang yung dagat, so nakaka-happy siya. It's Green Day pa, so may tarpaulin doon na happy birthday to me. For me naman, it's so happy na makasama yung mga army dito sa lugar na to, kung saan ko makain.
When her stirs like a drum, beating louder with no way to guard it. When it all sings like it's wrong, just sing along to Elton John, to that feeling we're just getting started. And when the nights get colder and the rhythm's got you falling behind, just dream about that moment when you look yourself right in the eye. Then you say, I wanna dance. The music's got me going, and nothing that can stop how we move. Yeah, let's take a place just like it cruising and rolling like we're dancing first. We don't need to worry, just ready for we know how to land. Don't need to talk the talk, just walk the walk tonight.
Super nice, saka accommodating lahat ng kasama namin, and pati na rin si Sunny, our tour guide. Kasi medyo young siya and safe, she knows what to do, and yung gusto ng mga guests na isasama niyo sa tour. For me naman, satisfied naman kami and we will definitely recommend the Sulit Dream Destination.
Experience so far, super okay. It's my first time to try on a tour kind of travel kasi usually DIY. And ayun, ngayon ko na-realize, sulit pala siya and ayun, super convenient and super happy kasi all the folks are very friendly and fun to be.
Nakakapagod, but it was fun.
Super fun.
Super fun.
Yeah, definitely.
The tour is really created with the interests of armies. So it's really recommended if you want to get a tour that is BTS curated. This is the best agency.
Yeah, sulit.
Yes! Yes! Super sulit! Sulit dreams.
Yeah, it's sulit, definitely.
Oo, sulit. Kasi full lang ano natin eh, ang schedule. 5 days, sulit na sulit. Pati sa food. Okay yan. Ano siya, tabalangan natin.
Yes, sulit na sulit.
Yes, very worth it. 감사합니다. 사랑해.
Thank you. Thank you, Sulit Dreams. Sa uulitin.
Thank you for the experience. Okay. See you on your next travel with Sulit Dreams Destination.
This is